Meaning of drive-in.
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 Drive-in. Drive-in refers to a type of business or establishment, such as a movie theater, where customers can park their cars and receive service or entertainment without leaving their vehicle. This concept became popular in the 1950s and 1960s and is still used today for various purposes. The drive-in experience provides customers with a unique and convenient way to enjoy their favorite activities without having to leave the comfort of their car. It also allows for a socially distanced experience during the COVID-19 pandemic.